Welcome back with a new lesson 7.1 ratio. Our lesson objective here to express a ratio and a rate in lowest terms. We mean by the ratio a comparison between two quantities. So if we have two quantities and we want to compare between them, we will use the ratio, which is dividing the first quantity by the second quantity. And after that, we try to simplify this division or this fraction. We should write the ratio in a fraction way. For example, if we want to compare 24 to 48, so we can write it in this way: 24 to 48. And also we can write it as a fraction. So the first quantity is divided by the second quantity. So notice here that order is very important. You can't say 48 over 24. And then you can simplify this fraction, which is going to be 1 over 2. So the ratio here is 1 over 2, or you can write it 1 to 2. Let us take another example here. Find the ratio in lowest terms, 3/4 to 7/6. The same way we have done before. 3/4, we can put it in a fraction in the numerator, divided by 7/6. And all of us know that this is going to be 3/4 times 6/7, which we can simplify by dividing here by 2 and here by 2. So the final answer is going to be 9/14, and this is the ratio we are looking for. Or we can write it as 9 to 14. Another example: sometimes you are given two quantities, but they are of different units, such as 240 miles to 8 gallons. So you are asked here to find the ratio in miles per gallon. And this is what we call the rate. So if you were asked to find the rate in miles per gallon, it is the same of finding the ratio between the two quantities, but first you will use the miles. So 240 miles is divided by 8 gallons, and this is equal to 30, and you will write after that mile per gallon. A final example: a transformer has 45 turns in the primary coil and 540 turns in the secondary coil. The question: find the ratio of secondary turns to primary turns. So he's asking to find a ratio. So you should make a ratio between two quantities. But be careful, because we told you that order is so important here. He is asking to find the ratio of secondary turns to primary turns. So you should write the secondary turns first, and then you write the primary turns. The secondary turns are 540 turns, and the primary turns are 45 turns. So if you found this ratio by dividing 540 over 45, this will give you the answer of 12, which you can write it as 12 over 1 or 12 to 1. By this, we reach the end of this lesson. Thank you.